Here at Ultralift, we design and manufacture TV mounting and motorised systems to run TVs down out of ceilings, up out of cabinets, basically any customised solution to mount a TV or a projector. On the tour, we're going to go through the whole office situation where we have the finance, design, production, and then out to the workshop where we see how the Westberg sheet metal side of the business works with Ultralift to manufacture all of our custom products. So we'll go through the total manufacturing process through to assembly and I think at the moment down there we've got some projector lifts being made, some custom slide units. Everything seems to be customised these days, so we've got a real niche in the market. I'm really excited about the future for Ultralift. Now that we've taken on a new facility here, we've got a sheet metal business as well, which is going to support what we do at Ultralift. So there's, the sky's the limit as far as products that might not even be in audio visual, but we're looking to expand into any area. I've got a real goal to grow this business, and whatever it takes, we're just going to do that.